On the streets of TikTok, things are happening. Literally, the family Kamseleku and their drama continues. Welcome to our house. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, a lady that calls herself Mabiela, I'm not certain, but she looks like she could be from the side of the father of Amahle Biela, went to the TikTok streets and addressed the issue le ukuthi uMabiela uAmahle uyebo baba. In her ranting, she addressed the fact that not everybody is going to be raised not to respect rather their husbands and their families. She insinuated Uguti, when you go emzini, you need to be prepared. You need to know Uguti what you are going there for. Meaning, Amahle is prepared. Amahle knows what she's going to do le emzini rather than baby Utirelo. Now, I do not know Uguti Utirelo is going to respond or retaliate or give us something very hot, because you know your Utirelo will be nonchalant about other things where you think Uguti no, actually here she's going to take it serious. But go to TikTok, check under Mabiela, and you will see, because the lady has videos as well with Amahle rather, meaning Uguti they are close with Amahle. Let me know what are your thoughts. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.